how to fix Instagram crashing problem. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can fix Instagram crashing problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, if you open Instagram and automatically it used to go like this, then this video is absolutely for you. What you need to do is that you have to do one thing. I'm going to show you two or three things that you have to apply, and this gonna work for you. So you need to press and hold the Instagram app, and then you have to click on app information on the I button, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. Okay, so guys, here what you need to do is that I'm going to show you this video. Here you can see storage usage. Simply click on storage usage, and then here in storage usage you have to clear the data as well as the cache. Okay, after doing this, just go back. Okay, after going back, you have to go to Play Store, or if you're using iOS, go to App Store and update your Instagram app. After updating, what you need to do, if your Instagram is again crashing, then the last thing you have to do is that you have to delete your Instagram app, and then you have to go to your phone settings. Okay, after deleting your Instagram app, go to phone settings, and here you have to search for system updates or software updates. Here you can see I have software updates. If you have system updates, it's same. So you have to check whether your device, your phone is asking for any update or not. If your phone is asking for any update, make sure to update your phone, and then after updating your phone, download the Instagram app and then log in it. The problem will absolutely solve. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.